Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create an event and whenever it is required to add a reminder of that event, we can add it easily using Confluence. So when we are using Confluence portal, you can always see we have a calendar. So let's say we have something critical events which we need reminder before 1 day. So in that case, we can create an event in Confluence and set a reminder. So before 1 day, before 1 hour, as per our setting configurations, we can set it up and it will trigger a reminder message or email to us to notify this event will be expired or this event will be started soon. So we'll see here how to create an event reminder in Confluence so that it will be easy for you to get updated with your upcoming activities. So if you want to learn Confluence from scratch, please follow my Confluence playlist. I will also include the URL in description tab so that it will be easy for you to refer Confluence content. And if you have not yet subscribed this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for further updates. For creating an event, simply we have to click on calendar. Here we can add a new calendar or even we can import existing calendar. Let's start adding a new calendar. For adding a new calendar, simply we have to define the name. So for adding the name, let's say reminder event. Now you can also specify the descriptions. After that, you can select the time zone. In which time zone you want the notifications. So let's consider I'm selecting India or Asia or let's select Singapore. Click on create and this calendar will be created. Here, click on this option, this three dots and click add events. For adding the events, we can select from the title or we can also specify the events according to our requirements. If you want to add or custom events, you can also add it from here. Or if you have any agile friends to be notified, then we can also do it. Let's consider I want to add the birthday. So for adding the birthday, simply I will select the birthday event types and here I have to specify the name of the person whose birthday is appearing. Now I want to select the date in which date the birthday will start. Let's see, it's 3rd of September and again ending to 3rd of September. So here reminder, I want the reminder on yearly basis and I want to add the reminder repeats on every 1 year and all the events will be added here and after that I have to add the reminder specifications. So accordingly it will trigger a message or pop-up will appear to add a reminder. Click on save and this event will be added successfully. Now if I want to set the reminder call up or add an email reminder, simply click on this and when we will select the email reminder for birthday, I have to click on edit and we, we have to specify the time. So how many days before we want that reminder whenever the event will start. So let's say I want to add the reminder for 1 hour before or maybe 1 day before because this is a birthday calendar. So click on save so that we can plan it earlier. Click on save. Now this event has been created successfully and whenever this event will be appear, I will get a notification email before 1 day. Now click to add a new event here. So this time again, I'm adding a new event. This time I want to add for the travel plan. So for the travel plan, again, I will select my name itself and I'm traveling from 11 to 16 September. And here, this is not required to be repeated. Yeah, that's why I kept it does not repeat. And here, if you want to add the descriptions about your travel plan, where you are traveling, then if you have any related pages, we can also tag it and click on save. This event will be added successfully. So you can see it in calendar itself. Now, if I want to add an email reminder, so probably I will add the email reminder so that before one day, I will get a notifications, or before 2 days, I will get a notifications of my travel plan so that I can plan it accordingly. So click on save, and whenever the event will start before 2 days, it means on 9th, I will get an email message. Hey, you're traveling from this day to this day. So this is how we can add event inside the Confluence calendar. So which will be easy for us to track our activity. Even that will be easy for our track teams contains. Even we can do it for Jira related events. Like if we are working on Jira product release or Jira Agile sprint, we can also tag it. So system Jira is not configured. We can select this and you have to specify the name. So accordingly, it will trigger an email or message to the team member. Hey, this event will be started soon, or this we have to fix it as soon as possible. So that's how we can add reminder to event in Confluence. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.